ChatGPT can be your ultimate tool for work, learning, and creativity if you know how to use it the right way. I've spent hundreds of hours testing every feature so you don't have to. By the end of this video, you'll be using ChatGPT faster and smarter than 99% of everyone else. Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at the main ChatGPT models that you can use today: the GPT-4 series and the O series. OpenAI has added new options like O3 and O3 Mini to go with the older O1 model. Here's how the different models compare. GPT-4o is the best model for everyday tasks like making content and brainstorming. It gives fast, good answers for most use cases. Now, you can also access the brand new research preview of GPT 4.5, which is the largest and strongest model from OpenAI. The O series of models are special thinking models that take longer, maybe 10 to 20 seconds, but show their work step by step. They're great for math, coding, and hard problems. It's easy to switch models. Look for the model picker in the top left corner. Use GPT-4o for creative work and fast answers, or use an O-series model when you need deep thinking. A pro tip here is to start with GPT-4o to get quick ideas, then switch to O1 or O3 Mini when you need very detailed answers. ChatGPT Search brings web search right to your chat window. Get fresh info on news, weather, and any topic in seconds. Stay in one place and get all the answers you need. Click on the search icon located next to the plus symbol in the chat. ChatGPT will also automatically use search if you're asking a question that will benefit from web search. Enter the specific topic or question you're looking for and hit search. Now you can review your results. Click on the source links to view the original source material. Here are some good use cases for web search. Fact-check information online based on multiple sources. Get the latest news and trends in real time. Find reliable references for your research or content. Forget copying and pasting text chunks into ChatGPT. Now you can drop entire documents in and let AI do all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how to work with documents and files in ChatGPT. Simply drag in files or click the plus symbol to upload your document. Let ChatGPT process it. It will analyze, summarize, or extract data as needed. Review and use the output. Get insights, edits, or any help you need with your file. Here are some use cases to try out. Analyze spreadsheets and datasets instantly by uploading them directly to ChatGPT. Connect information across multiple documents to discover patterns and insights. Transform static PDFs and books into dynamic resources that you can question and explore. Now, the real magic happens when you combine different file types in your projects. Think of it as having a research assistant who can read, analyze, and connect information across all your documents. A pro tip is to use voice mode to have conversations with your documents. Drop in a long PDF or book that you own and start asking questions. Want a more intuitive way to write and edit with AI? Try Canvas, ChatGPT's improved interface that turns your writing sessions into a collaborative experience. To access Canvas, you select GPT-4o with Canvas from the drop-down menu in the top left corner of your ChatGPT interface, or simply type Use Canvas or Open a Canvas in your prompt. Once the canvas opens, you'll see a split interface with a chat window on the left and an editing space on the right. Enter your prompt to generate initial content or paste existing text into the editing area. Canvas works for all types of text-based content like blog posts, emails, or creative writing. Now you can use Canvas's editing feature to improve your content. You can highlight specific sections of text to request targeted changes and use the sidebar tools to adjust reading level, length, add emojis, or polish your text in different ways. Here are some use cases for ChatGPT Canvas. Canvas makes writing and brainstorming easier by letting you edit specific parts without starting all over. Just highlight what you want to change, adjust how complex the text should be, and fix grammar all in one place. You can get feedback as you work, fix errors, add notes, and even run Python and preview code inside Canvas. Canvas helps make your content more findable online by creating good descriptions, catchy titles, useful comparison tables, and FAQ sections. You can still edit just the parts you want to change. A pro tip when using Canvas is to highlight specific sections of text and use the Suggest Edits shortcut to get targeted AI feedback that appears as comment bubbles, which you can then review and apply with a single click rather than regenerating entire sections. Need to manage lots of documents at once? ChatGPT's Projects feature helps you gather, organize, and analyze related documents for research and finding important information. Here's how to use ChatGPT Projects. Click the New Project button to keep related documents and conversations in one place. Add your PDFs, reports, spreadsheets, and other files to your project. Clearly state what you want to learn from your documents to get better answers. Here are some ways to use projects. Find insights and connections across multiple books, research papers, or documents. Compare documents from different time periods or sources. Pull out key information and create summaries. A pro tip when working with projects is to tailor ChatGPT's response using the project instructions. You can ask ChatGPT to focus on certain topics or ask it to use a certain tone or format for responses. Custom instructions let you personalize how ChatGPT responds to your prompts, creating a consistent experience made just for your needs across all conversations. Here's how to set up custom instructions. Go to your profile and look for custom instructions to set how ChatGPT talks to you. Share your background and what you like so future responses fit your needs. Pick your preferred style, format, and how detailed you want responses to be. Here are some simple ways to use custom instructions. You can ask ChatGPT to respond like a teacher, chef, or engineer when answering your questions. Choose how you want responses to sound, formal, casual, simple, based on what works for you. Tell ChatGPT how to organize information, for instance in lists, steps, or summaries. Custom instructions let ChatGPT remember your preferences so you don't have to repeat them each time you chat. This makes your experience more personal and saves time. A pro tip is to be clear about what you want and don't want in responses. For example, say always include examples or skip introductions and give direct answers. This helps you get more useful responses every time. Custom GPTs transform ChatGPT from a general-purpose assistant into specialized tools designed for specific tasks. These personalized versions of ChatGPT can be built around your specific requirements without any coding knowledge. Here's how to use custom GPTs. Browse the GPT store for existing options or create your own by clicking Create a GPT in the ChatGPT interface. Define the GPT's purpose, knowledge base, and response style through the intuitive builder. Here are some powerful ways to use custom GPTs. Create GPTs that specialize in fields like marketing, legal research, or medical information. Build GPTs that guide users through complex processes with step-by-step instructions. Create GPTs that organize and analyze your journal entries, book notes, or personal research materials. Custom GPTs shine when you need consistent, specialized assistance for recurring tasks. Instead of training ChatGPT with the same long prompt repeatedly, a custom GPT remembers your preferences and specialized knowledge. A pro tip when using custom GPTs is to start with a clear plan of what problem you're trying to solve. The most effective custom GPTs have a focused purpose rather than trying to do everything. Advanced data analysis transforms ChatGPT into your personal data scientist, helping you analyze complex data, create visualizations, and gain valuable insights, all through simple conversation. Here's how to use advanced data analysis in ChatGPT. Simply drag and drop your spreadsheets, CSV files, or datasets for ChatGPT to analyze. Request specific insights, patterns, or visualizations using natural language. Examine the generated charts, tables, and analysis that ChatGPT provided based on your queries. Advanced data analysis works best when you need to quickly process and understand complex datasets without specialized technical knowledge. It turns ChatGPT into a powerful data analyst that can interpret your information through natural conversation. A pro tip when using advanced data analysis is to visit Kaggle to find interesting datasets to practice with. Download datasets that interest you, then ask ChatGPT to analyze them and create visualizations. Advanced voice mode transforms ChatGPT into a conversational partner that you can actually talk with, creating natural interactions that go beyond basic speech-to-text conversations. Here's how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode. Select the microphone icon in the ChatGPT interface to activate voice interactions. Voice Mode understands natural pauses and conversational cues, creating more human-like interactions. Unlike traditional voice assistants, ChatGPT's advanced voice mode allows you to interrupt and redirect the conversation in real time. Here are some powerful ways to use voice mode. Ask questions and receive spoken answers while multitasking or when you're on the go.
In finance, global markets are reacting to U.S. policy changes, with oil prices hitting a 2-week high and U.S. stock futures falling.
It's perfect for researchers, students, or professionals who need information while cooking, commuting, or exercising. Engage in conversations to practice speaking and pronunciation in different languages. ChatGPT can adjust its speaking pace and complexity to match your proficiency level, providing a low-pressure environment for language learning.
Yes, sure, I can help you learn Spanish. So let's start with something simple. Por ejemplo, hola, ¿cómo estás? Would you like to try repeating that?
Upload books and have interactive voice conversations about the content. This creates an immersive learning experience where you can clarify concepts, ask for summaries, or explore related topics through natural conversation. A pro tip when using voice mode is to try different conversation styles and tones. Ask ChatGPT to explain concepts like a professor, tell stories like a friend, or guide you through problems like a mentor. We also have a separate video on how to use ChatGPT scheduled tasks. We'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching our complete guide to ChatGPT. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this video. We've looked at ChatGPT Canvas for creating and refining content. We've used projects for analyzing multiple documents at once. We've defined custom instructions to personalize your experience. You've learned how to set up custom GPTs for specialized tasks without coding. We looked at how you can use advanced data analysis for turning your data into insights. And finally, you now know how to use voice mode for natural conversational interactions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below with the features that you're most excited to try out, or if you have any questions about anything we've covered today. Remember, the key to getting the most out of ChatGPT is clear communication and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different approaches until you find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.